So today I have my little helpers. Say hi, little helpers.
Hi.
And we're gonna be fixing the stuff in this car. You're gonna take this. You're gonna spin it this way. Okay, spin it.
Stand this way.
This way, come on.
Stand.
Like this.
Stand it.
There you go.
Stand that girl. Stand that girl. So good colors. Be happy now.
So you're gonna get it right there. You're gonna spin it this way.
Okay, spin.
Push down. And spin. There you go.
Okay.
Spin it.
Okay.
Let me make sure it's pushed down for you.
Loosen it.
Yeah.
Loose. I think I'm getting my hand with it.
There you go.
I think I can know how to do it now.
All right, that one's done. Now we gotta come to this one.
Can I do this one on my own this time?
All right, make sure you're pushing down.
Okay. Okay.
You turn it this way.
Okay.
Like that.
Like this. Like that. Like spin it.
There you go. Good job, Melissa.
But I can
I'll just make sure that it stays in place, okay?
just
Now spin it. Okay, spin it. Spin it. There you go, spin it. Yeah, keep going. You got it.
When it's almost loose. Coming. You know Jack is not coming. Okay, now I get it.
Go ahead.
Oh, we push it down. You gotta push it down. It's almost out. Almost.
Yep, you got it. It's out.
Okay. There's a net.
Thank you, Melly Belly.
There go. There go.
They can't, they can't focus for that long. But now we got this out. We're gonna put the new one in. Get back to you in a sec. So we have this put in with the two little ones. It doesn't fit properly, but I think I have a solution for that, but we'll come to that later. So now we're gonna take the steering wheel off. That steering wheel that you're holding? You see that steering wheel that you're holding? We gotta take it off. You wanna help me take it off? You know the green one we have on the roof? That's the one we're gonna put on here. Okay?
Yes.
Grab this. Zion, grab this. With two hands. Grab it with two hands. Yeah, both of y'all. Grab it with two hands. No, this part. Grab this part. Now you ready? 1, 2, 3, pull. Ooh, you got it. So now we took part of the steering wheel off. So now we put the new steering wheel in. Zion, would you like to show them that the horn is working? Okay, show them that the horn is working. Push the horn. So we have it hooked up properly, ready to go, thanks to these two.
Yeah, we did it. It's too fun, sorry. I just want to keep doing it. It's too fun. So, anyway.
Push that button up there and show them the color of the lights.
See? Green! Turns green.
All right, turn it back off.
Bye, guys. So, one more beat.
All right, guys, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I love the beat too much.
All right, last thing I gotta do, gotta throw this cap on. Just goes behind the headlight, turn the wheel so I can put it on. And then we'll go on to bigger and better things. So what I have to do now is, I don't know if you can see them, but these coil packs and the spark plugs on the inside all need to come out. And I'm changing to all brand new stuff. So I'm gonna get on that. I got the alfalfa going on. Let's knock this out so my car will be back to where it should be. So you guys can see, I'm using NGK everything because this is the brand I trust. So I already got 1, 2, and 3 done. Now I'm coming over here to do 4, 5, and 6. All NGK, baby. All NGK all day. Yo! So, after the kids helped me put my steering wheel and stuff in, and after the spark plugs and wires, car is doing good, running smooth, and it's back on the road. I want to thank you guys who have been watching my videos. And guys, listen. If I get up to 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. I don't care if it's even something small. I'm going to do a giveaway to one of the 100 subscribers that I have. So, like, share, subscribe, help me get to that 100 mark, and let's keep growing from there, all right? Thanks. See you in the next one. Peace.